Hi, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to pop on here to wish everybody a wonderful holiday season. I know 2020 has been a really crazy year, to say the least, and I cannot say how grateful I am for each and every one of you who has tuned into my videos this past year. I mean, the past 2 years I've been making videos, but this past year especially, I think it's really something that helped me stay centered, that's helped me stay motivated, and has really been a great connection point between like me and all of you, especially because, you know, we weren't really able to go outside that much. We weren't able to meet our friends and family who might be local, so at least this was a way that I could interact with other people who were interested in the same things. And so I really cannot express how grateful I am, how thankful I am for everyone here on this platform who's joined me on this journey, who has joined this community. So I did want to pop on here to say thank you very much. Thanks for coming along the journey this far, and there is definitely more to come. So I hope you'll stay around for that. I have a few more videos for the rest of this year, of course, and then who knows what 2020 has in store, but it's going to be better than this year. Like, I think we can all agree that because this year was so terrible that next year it can only get better. So however you like to spend the holidays, whether that's with your friends and family, whether you celebrate a particular holiday or you don't, I hope at least you're able to stay safe and have a love-filled holiday season. I just wanted to pop on here to say that. Thank you very much if you haven't already. And like I said, stay tuned for more videos. My next video is going to be everything that I got for Christmas. There are a lot of gifts that I gifted myself. So I will be sharing that as my next video. Happy holidays!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.